Have you ever wondered what is SEO affiliate reseller programs? Do you often wonder how to make a profit out of SEO affiliate reseller packages? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of using SEO affiliate reseller programs and packages? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about SEO affiliate reseller programs and packages. Now let's get into it. Forming a partnership to deliver search engine optimization services, SEO, to your clients demonstrates your commitment to providing access to a vital range of techniques that ensure their online presence is taken to the top of the search engine rankings. Search engines drive the World Wide Web, dominated by Google, Yahoo, and MSN account for 70% of all searches, and how you rank in them dictates the traffic visiting your site and ultimately the revenue generated. Clients with an online presence that is not optimized for the search engines will simply be ignored by prospective customers looking for their products and services, unless they rank on the first page of a search. A prospective customer is unlikely to find their site at all. If you rank on page 3 or less, your online presence may as well be a billboard in the middle of the Sahara. Affiliate programs provide a potentially lucrative partnership for referring clients for SEO services with a commission structure based on the level of referrals. You benefit not only from generating an untapped source of revenue from your clients but also from an enhanced perception of your ability to deliver immediate and continuing business results that are simply and easily demonstrated and measured. As e-commerce continues to gain momentum and acceptance, and we are nowhere near the potential that has yet to be unleashed, businesses have to look to where their future customers are going to come from. I recall reading something recently that made the glib comment, "NBC is laying off people as fast as Google is hiring them," and this reflects the economic reality that increasingly consumers are turning to the internet to source products and services, and of those who do, a majority are using search engines such as the Big Three to find suppliers. This is all great news for local businesses as hard copy media is overtaken by the adoption of the internet as a means for obtaining information. So, for those who provide businesses with support and professional services, there is a window of opportunity to add value to existing relationships by forming a partnership with an SEO provider affiliate program. So, this all sounds great and fantastic. Where do I sign up? Not so fast. Let's take a look at the market and see what is currently on offer, and let's also take a look at some of the do's and don'ts. Simply placing SEO reselling into your search engine will uncover a list as long as Route 66 of SEO service providers and some form of affiliate marketing or reselling program. The reason for this is simple: over 50% of internet traffic is generated by search engines, and consumers are using search engines to source products and services more than any other form of online marketing activity. What you will find is a dazzling array of SEO providers, but first, you need to exercise a degree of simple business common sense. Keep to the forefront of your mind that if you are going to partner with an SEO as an affiliate, they are going to be delivering a service to your business customers who will be relying on the relationship they have with you to stop them from being oversold, overpriced, and avoid failure of service delivery. Their success will give you credit, but failure can be damning. The first principle: identify an SEO with a market reputation that stands up. Any SEO will be quite happy to provide you with references and a detailed schedule of the services they provide with a clear charging structure for work performed. If they can't or won't, avoid them like the plague. If they can't provide basic supporting collateral to you as a potential business partner, what will they be like to let loose on your customers? There are also some unethical SEO techniques that companies may use that you should be aware of. Methods such as using link farms, hidden text where the printed content is the same color as the background, and even some tactics take a user to a web page completely different from the one they wished. These techniques are referred to as black hat, and search engines may penalize a site that uses such methods or eliminate them from the search engine altogether. In February 2006, Google removed BMW and 𝐥𝐤𝐤 in Germany for use of deceptive black hat practices. A white hat practice refers to techniques that are not considered to be unethical or deceptive and conform to the guidelines and terms of service as laid down by the search engines themselves. White Hat is about providing content for site users, not for search engines per se, and promotes the accessibility and usability of a client site. Make yourself aware of exactly what SEO methods are being delivered by an affiliate program before you commit to signing up for it. The decision to use black or white hat methods revolves around your sense of ethics and your own view of your business reputation. The affiliate programs that are available all appear to be embryonic at this stage. This is an immature concept for which it is highly likely we will see continuing development. Some affiliate programs are free, requiring minimal registration, while at the other extreme, fees of $750 can be charged before you can refer potential clients to them. I have even seen one program that simply states we have no affiliate program but will pay a 15% commission on any referral. This leads to the topic of money and payment for client referrals. How much can be made out of SEO reselling? Clearly, there is an opportunity to add value to existing client relationships by SEO reseller affiliation, but the remuneration and commissions do vary, though the average appears to be something between 5% to 15%. The volume of referrals and type of referrals also factor heavily in the commission structures, with high volumes attracting greater levels of commission and bonus payments, as does the ability to refer larger sites and online enterprises as opposed to a local restaurant downtown. There is a wide discrepancy in the quality of SEO providers, not only between those who practice black and white hat processes but, in the ability, to appreciate that SEO is not a simple, single skill set that operates on a standalone basis. SEO providers who genuinely practice a holistic marketing methodology are actually few and far between. Such holistic SEO practitioners believe that search engine marketing is actually part of a larger range of online marketing methods that need to be combined and tailored to suit the business goals of the client. The SEO affiliate programs available vary widely in the apparent ability of the offerings to deliver services alongside SEO, such as public relations activities, email campaigns, blog consulting, web trends, and online media buying. Clearly, SEO affiliate programs will develop and the market will respond to the good and the bad, but in the interim arm, you would at least have a basic understanding of what SEO consultants do and the value added they can provide. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about SEO affiliate reseller programs and packages. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.